Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locking the objective to lead generation and allocating a practical budget. Start small and scale. Next, make sure your Facebook Pixel or Conversions API is installed and firing. This tracks valuable events. Create a concise lead form with 3 to 5 fields and a single clear call to action. Shorter forms convert better. Once done, upload 2 creative variations, image and video, and write headlines focused on benefit. This practical start lets you collect your first leads within hours. Now you assemble the ad set. Choose 1 to 2 focused audiences, use interest targeting or a 1% lookalike from top customers, and set placements to automatic unless you have data favoring feed or reels. Configure bid strategy and schedule. Make sure frequency stays reasonable. Build a /B tests that isolate creative, headline, or audience so you learn what moves leads. Connect your CRM or Zapier integration to ingest leads in real time and turn on deduplication to avoid duplicates. This middle phase creates reliable data. You publish with final QA. Click every link, test the form on mobile, and confirm privacy language displays properly. During the first 24 to 72 hours, watch cost per lead, click-through rate, and form completion rate. Make decisions from real data and pause poorly performing variants. Once a winner emerges, scale budget gradually and create retargeting ads for people who opened the form but didn't submit. If leads are low, troubleshoot. Check audience size, creative relevance, and form length. Shorten fields or refresh creative immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.